mandoo. So I got these snacks. Oh my goodness. Marshmallows. They look so good. And this is freeze-dried white peaches. Looks so good. And then I got this peach jelly. And then I got this matcha wafer sandwich. Ice cream sandwich. And I also got this pho. And Daniel got these fried anchovies.
What a shame. In the short term for Jordan, and really built a nice little bit of pressure there on. Well, he's on the string. Kim Min Jae lost us in at the end. And says, what else do I do? So.
This package, I ordered a lot of cat things. So the main thing that I got is this cat scratcher, and oh my god, look at it. I hope Mandoo likes this one. Oh, so this just looks like a box. It is just a box. It's actually a cover for the Nintendo Switch. It's like a clear acrylic box, and you like put it on top so it doesn't get dusty. I wanted to display the Nintendo Switch in the living room, so I got this. So this is another toy for Mandoo. Oh my gosh. Because Valentine's Day is coming up, so it's this little lollipop. Is this a lollipop or an ice cream? It's a lollipop. Super cute. Then I got this really cute can opener. I saw a lot of like cat owners using this, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. Isn't that so cute? So there's a spoon here on one end, and then you can use this end to open cans. And I just thought that was so cute. I don't actually know what this is for, these ridges, but okay, so I actually got multiple of these cable covers. Quite literally cover every single cable that's exposed in the house. And then Mandoo can freely walk around chewing things. So I did a really big haul of things for my Nintendo Switch, but I'm gonna do a separate video on that, so I'll just like really quickly show you. Like, I got the thumb grips and stuff, and I got cases and screen protector. So I got like a bunch of things for the Nintendo Switch, but I'm gonna do maybe like a customizing video for the Switch. So, and then this is massive. I did not know this would be this big. I don't know what it's called. It's a sachet dispenser, so you put the cat treat like in here and then you push it down and it dispenses onto this spoon part, and so your cat can like lick it off the spoon instead of you getting it all over your hands. I thought that was cute. I can't wait to try that. This is a little love heart. So once again, my cat loves to bite, and so this is a biting chew toy, so the material is good for biting, and I just thought it was like a really cute design, and she can play with it, throw it around, but she can bite it. That's the most important part. And then I got super random, but I got these clips, and these I thought would be perfect for closing her food. How do I use this? Cat paws. So it's perfect for closing her food packets because I give them to her like half a pack at a time. And then I got this cute little thing to store the remaining half of the can. So this is a can lid. It comes with multiple ridges for different sizes of cans. And then, so this is actually like the same or similar to this, but this one, it goes like in here. So cute, right? Or maybe it's like this. I don't know. But you put it on your can and then you can put this next to your can. I don't know, I just thought that was super cute. Fan. Ta-da! I put the keyring on and it's got 3 settings. I don't know if it's gonna be charged. Oh my goodness. It's a strong fan for like being so tiny. I thought this would be perfect just to carry around, put it in your bag, take it with you. And almost last, I got a hair drying cap. So I've heard great things about this, and apparently it's, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at these buttons, they're little bears. Oh, you're kidding me. So it's a hair drying cap, like you put your hair in it and then you wrap it up. I'm guessing this part goes onto a bear, but yeah, and then your hair will like this will absorb the water faster. I'm not too sure, but I do usually do things with my hair in a towel after I come out of the shower, so I thought I might try this out. Guys, I got mandoo a new food bowl. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. So, you know, cats like a raised bowl, but they also need a flat bowl so that their whiskers, you know, have room and they don't get tired. And I found this one and it's so cute. It's covered in this stuff right now. There is literally fluff everywhere, but I cannot wait for mandoo to eat out of this bowl. I'm gonna go give it a wash and then see if she wants some food. Oh, I will definitely try to get her reaction. And yeah, that's the end of my little haul. Bye bye. Mandoo, are you ready for your new toys? So this is the rope toy. And then this is the lollipop. She's not interested right now. Maybe she'll come back. Hi, Mandoo. Are you ready? Are you ready, Mandoo? I'm gonna put this right here. Mandoo's cat tower, and I put it right next to it. Off she goes. She's a little bit suspicious. She's like, what is this? If I put her favorite toys on here, do you think she'll come up here to play? like she's stalking her prey or something. So this is my living room, and so I have my dining table here, and then the TV stand behind me, and then this is the mirror, and then I have a shelf to the side where the projector is up there as well. And yeah, I really like how it's coming together so far.
I ain't really worried about